How to create or make a Spongebob and Infinite Craft game on your mobile website or the desktop. For this, I will open simply my Infinite Craft game application here and log in with account. After that, here are the steps by which you can simply get this or create a Spongebob just in your Infinite Craft. First is add water and water block to make a lake, then lake plus water to ocean, then ocean plus water is equal to fish, then earth plus wind this form dust. After creating dust, you have to add fire and water black to create steam here, and then steam dust plus fish is equal to starfish, then steam plus wind is equal to clouds, and then the last step is add cloud block to the starfish block that will create a Spongebob for you on Infinite Craft. This is all about how you will do it, so let's just do it. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and subscribe it for watching more.